Hello friends, welcome back to WTF Presents, 10 Weirdest Fact That Will Blow Your Mind. Number 1. A company that turns dead bodies into an ocean reef. Well, you heard that right. Have you ever thought that your dead body could contribute to a thriving marine? Well yes, a company named Eternal Reefs offers an innovative solution for those who idealize a burial at sea. The cremated remains of a person is mixed with concrete to create a pearl onto which loved ones can etch handprints, personal messages, or environmental-friendly mementos. The pearl is then covered in a reef ball and is dropped into the sea, where it provides a new habitat for fish and other marine life, helping encourage a vibrant ecosystem. Number 2. Dolphins sleep with one eye open. Dolphins are known to be one of the smartest animals on the planet, possibly because they can maintain their brain power to constantly keep an eye for predators. These marine mammals have developed a neat trick of maintaining partial consciousness even as part of their brain sleeps. Scientists tested whether this half-sleep negatively impacts the animal's alertness during the day, but have found that even after 5 days of having their nocturnal alertness constantly tested, they've remained as alert and perceptive as ever. And number 3. The largest padlock in the world. The largest padlock in the world was created by a team of teachers and students at the Pavlovo Arts College in Russia. This padlock measures 56.8 inches tall, 41.3 inches wide, and 10.2 inches deep. Altogether this hefty lock, including key, weighs 916 pounds. For whatever reason this padlock presumably weighs, hope it's protecting a whole lot more. Number 4. The fuller the fridge, the more energy efficient it is. An empty fridge not only makes it more difficult to decide what to snack on, it also wastes valuable energy. It works like this: the more empty space in the fridge, the more cold air is displaced by warm when you open the door, requiring the appliance to generate cool air to replace it. If the fridge is packed, less cool air escapes and less energy is required to replenish it. Number 5. Umbrellas were once only used by women. While umbrellas are used and appreciated by pretty much everyone living in rainy places, for centuries they were seen as something only to be used by fashionable women during sunny days to keep the sun away from their skin. But in the mid-18th century, the barrier started to fall, with public figures and philanthropists like Jonas Hanway started carrying umbrellas during public events. Soon others took notice of the accessory's practicality, and it wasn't long before men were using them as often as women. Number 6. A cat served as the mayor of an Alaskan town. In 1997, an orange cat, named Stubbs, became honorary mayor of the Alaskan town of Talkeetna. With a population of around 900 people, it would not have taken too many votes to earn the position, and the small town didn't had a real human mayor anyway. But Stubbs adept at the role, gaining fans from around the world and serving in the position for 20 years, greeting tourists and becoming a beloved symbol of the town until his death in 2017. Number 7. Spider webs were used as bandages in ancient times. In ancient Greece and Rome, doctors used spider webs to make bandages for their patients. Spider webs supposedly have natural antiseptic and antifungal properties, which can help keep wounds clean and prevent infection. It's also said that spider webs are rich in vitamin K, which helps promote clotting. So, next time you are out of band-aids, just head to your attic and grab some webicillin. Number 8. Sunglasses were originally designed for Chinese judges to hide their facial expressions in court. Today, sunglasses serve as protective eyewear, effectively preventing bright sunlight from causing discomfort or damage to our eyes. Of course, they're also a fashion accessory. But sunglasses were originally made out of smoky quartz in 12th century China, where they were used by judges to mask their emotions when they were questioning witnesses. Number 9. The tea bag was an accidental invention. In 1908, New York tea merchant Thomas Sullivan sent samples of tea leaves to some of his customers in small silken bags. Many of the recipients assumed that the bags were supposed to be used in the same way as the metal infusers. So, they put the entire bag into the teapot, rather than emptying out its contents. After positive feedback from the happy accident, Sullivan designed intentional tea bags for commercial production. In the 1920s, his sachets made of gauze and later, paper, included the string with the tag hanging over the side so the bag could be easily removed. Some things really do stay the same. Number 10. A human could swim through a blue whale's veins. The blue whale is the largest living creature, it's even larger than most dinosaurs. The biggest blue whales can be over 100 feet in length and weigh more than 100 tons. Their hearts alone can weigh 1,300 pounds, and are the size of a small car. Unsurprisingly, blue whales have enormous arteries, which pump blood through their massive hearts and into their vital organs. These arteries are so big that a fully grown human could swim through them, not that you should try it.